Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're on I-94 heading west in Barnes County, North Dakota. We're going to be taking a short detour off I-94 to get some glass cleaner to get the bugs off the windshield. We take exit 294, which leads to Valley City. This is another I-94 business loop as well as US 52 business. Prior to 1987, most of this half loop was US 10 business. Valley City is the county seat of Barnes County and has a population of 6,380. The population has been on a slow and steady decline since 1970. Despite this, Valley City is the 13th largest city in North Dakota. Valley City was named for its location in the valley of the Cheyenne River. A post office was established here in 1874 under the name of Worthington and has continuously operated as Valley City since 1878. A Carnegie Library opened here in 1903 through the efforts of the Tuesday Club, a local women's organization. The inception of the nation's first barber association occurred in Valley City during a state barber convention in February 1909. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And hit the like button if you enjoy our videos. On the right between 2nd and Central Avenue is Veterans Memorial Park, which features monuments in the center of the park honoring local veterans. Static displays include an inert missile, a Navy anchor, 2 howitzer cannons, and an F-104C aircraft. A picnic shelter is located at the west end of the park. At Central Avenue, County Highway 21 comes in from the north and follows our route for a few blocks until we get to 6th Avenue. Here, we finally found an auto parts store where we stopped to clean the windshield and then a gas station to fill up the tank. We now have a clean windshield, although that won't last long. The I-94 business loop ends and we get back on the I-94 main line. The speed limit drops to 65 miles per hour, and we're once again on a two-way section of road with construction on the other half of the highway. And once again, nothing separates us from oncoming traffic but plastic delineator posts glued to the pavement. At exit 288, we see another Indian Head, North Dakota shield for State Highway 1. At the on-ramp ahead, State Highway 1 joins I-94 for a few miles, and the route indicator signs use the new state-shaped shield. When Highway 1 exits I-94 in a few miles, we'll see the first state-shaped shield on the big green sign for that exit. The body of water seen on either side of the interstate is Hobart Lake, which is surrounded by the Hobart Lake Wildlife Refuge. The refuge was established by executive orders during the Franklin D. Roosevelt administration and was set aside as a refuge and breeding grounds for migratory birds and other wildlife. The refuge is maintained by the Valley City Wetland Management District and is a part of the Arrowwood National Wildlife Refuge Complex. We conclude today's video here at mile 280. As always, thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please post a comment, subscribe, share, and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.